Yes, people, today I'm doing some fish soup. Some people say fish tea. Right now I'm deboning. I'm deboning my soup. Separating the bones from the fish. Then I put it right back in the pot. A lot of people when they cook soup, they not debone the fish. That's why when you eat soup, you pick out bone out your mouth every minute. This is the proper way for the fish soup. Debone the fish. Boil it till it melt. Till the meat actually melt off of the bone. And you debone it. You throw back the meat in the tea, in the soup. You know? Yeah, some people really not take out the bone out of them fish when they have the fish soup, but that's, you know what I mean, that's so annoying. Sometimes you go to certain places and you order fish soup or fish tea, or even you go to your friend yard and then cook up some fish tea, or other people yard, and every time you take a sip out of the soup, you have to take out bone out of your mouth and thing. Right now I use 2 or 3 different fish in my fish soup. I'm using a fish called tobacco turbit. I already take the bone off of the one there. It's not a common fish, it's called tobacco turbit. You see the mouth long? Tobacco turbit, see the tail there? You see the bone there? And I'm using yellowtail snapper. And I've got a parrot in here as well. So I've got 3 different kind of fish in my soup right now. You know what I mean? And it smells really nice and it not even reached nowhere yet. You know what I mean? I'm just deboning the fish. Separating the meat from the bone. That means when you drink this fish tea, you don't have to worry about no bone. You know what I mean? The time consuming still, you know, but I saw you have to do fish soup. Take your time and debone the fish from the fish. That means when you drink your soup, you don't have to worry about no bone. Because look at it, if I did not debone my fish to make my fish soup or my fish tea, look at the amount of bone where you would have to pick out of your mouth when you drink, you know what I mean? Like I say, debone are the best way. The professional way, you know what I mean? So, if you look, it's just pure fish, it's just pure meat coming out now. We have the time. Actually, there's a fish head inside there. Yeah. And people, you can get meat from inside the head too. No, but I believe say a pure bone upon the head. You can get a little meat. If it's a big fish, you get a lot of meat, but also look at small fish like this one. You know, I get a lot of meat still, but I mean, get all the meat you can get. You know what I mean, out of the fish head. You know, like waste nothing still, you know, because I'm a man who love my fish tea and my fish soup, you know. Right? Some nice flavour right now. Look inside it. Pure meat. I have the thyme, I have the scotch bonnet pepper in there. You know what I mean? Yeah. So right now I have the breadfruit, I have the pumpkin, I have the carrot, I have the banana. Hold on, I forgot to cut the one. I have the green banana. Green banana going in my soup too, you know, I'm ramping up. It's a proper fish soup, you know, or fish tea. You know what I mean? Good old traditional fish tea and fish soup right there. So some people call it tea, some people call it soup. You know what I mean? Whatever you want to call it, still a fish make it. And food and, you know, and all the regular ingredients where you will make soup. I have the pumpkin, I have the yellow yam, I have the breadfruit, I have the banana, I have the carrot. You know what I mean? So now we just wash it off, so we just strain it off before we throw it in the pot. Yeah, so right now I put my food in the pot. You know what I mean? My yam, my banana, my pumpkin, my carrot. You know what I mean? My breadfruit. Whole heap of food are going in the pot right now. Whole heap. Whole heap. SUPAMARK'S excursion. Yeah, people, so the soup up and running, the fish tea up and running. See there, everything a bubble, carrot, breadfruit, Irish potato, banana, pumpkin, no sir. I talk to my fans out there, you know.
Oh, you're making a video?
Yeah. You know what I mean? So now I'm showing a little bit of scallion and thing and, you know, drop that in and thing and go and bubble some more because I'm not going to put in my noodle yet, you know what I mean? So far looking good. Stir them up, you know what I mean? Fish tea, you know what I mean? No bone in my fish tea because I debone my fish, you know what I mean? I have my carrot, my pumpkin, my breadfruit, my banana, my Irish, you know what I mean, and everything I will simmer and stir up right there, so now, you know what I mean? I make that go and simmer and stir down, and later on I put in my noodle, you know what I mean, and season up my pot some more, you know what I mean? SUPAMARK'S Excursion, please like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell for more videos like these, you know what I mean? Lock down the pot, okay? Yeah, so people, see my soup there right now. Need another stir up. See that? Everything will simmering down and thing and, you know what I mean? Stir them up so I gotta add my noodle now, you know what I mean? Yeah. It's all about the fish tea, fish soup, you know? Yeah. You have 3 different kind of fish in the soup here. You have tobacco, turbit, you have parrot, you have yellowtail snapper, and you have grunt in there. So 3 different kind of fish in there. And of course I have several different kind of hard food. I have my breadfruit, I have my pumpkin, I have my carrot, I have my banana, I have my Irish. You know what I mean? I have my yam, yellow yam. You know what I mean? So I saw the thing look. SUPAMARK'S Excursion, me there. Yeah man, so me outdoors right now. You know, me I boil a pot of fish soup, you know what I mean? Fish tea, some people call it. You know what I mean? I have my pineapple right there, so you know what I mean? I already get some pineapple from the crop here. Or from that tree already. You know what I mean? That's like suckers coming up. You know, next couple few months or so they must start there. Yeah, you know what I mean? SUPAMARK'S Excursion, cherry tree, full of cherry. Whole heap of cherry up on the tree star. You know, cherry, I blend them up, put a little bit of ginger. You know what I mean? And sugar. Properly blend them. You know what I mean? Loaded of cherry, people. Whole heap of cherry up on the tree. Right in the backyard, you know. I talk about cherry. Idiot business we talk about. Look at cherry. All the way to the top, cherry there. All the way to the top, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know, we're outdoors. You know? Boiling some fish soup, fish tea, some people call it. You know what I mean? SUPAMARK'S Excursion. A lovely day today, sun a shine, sun hot, sun a blaze, 36 degrees, but we don't watch that. Because we love to eat. You know what I mean? Trust me. Just like that. Yeah man. And big up all my fans, big up all my subscribers every time, yeah? Big up on yourself. Thanks for sharing, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Yeah, so I'm back at it again and you don't know, so the pot a bubble. Pot a bubble, people. I talk about my fish tea. I talk about my fish soup pot. You know what I mean? I mean, I tell you, so the flavor right now, we have come up in my nostrils right now. Trust me. Very nice flavor, I tell you. Just look on the soup there. Trust me, man. Alright, now I have a scotch bonnet in there, bubble. You know what I mean? I have my pumpkin, I have my breadfruit, right? That's my breadfruit there, so. You know what I mean? That's my pumpkin, yeah. Nice pumpkin, you know, say pumpkin have to melt out by the soup done cook because it's a nice pumpkin, you know what I mean? And then you have the yellow yam right there, so you know what I mean? And of course, you know, so me have a banana, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Yeah, people, so I tell us right now the pot smell good. The pot smell good, people. Me not lie to you, the pot smell good. That was real old fish tea. Real old fish tea, people. Right now, I want to lock off the pot still because I tell us, look nice. You know what I mean? That's it. That's it. That's it. Rich. Rich. Everything rich. Everything rich. Proper rich, you know what I mean? We are talking about fish tea, fish soup. I have my yam, I have my banana, I have my Irish, I have my potato. You know what I mean? I have my yellow yam, I have my pumpkin. You know what I mean? I have 3 different kind of fish in there. You understand? I have my tobacco, turbit, I have my yellowtail snapper. See? And I have my parrot fish. Alright, I'm going to tell you the soup ready, people. See there? See there? Soup ready up. Watch it. Watch it. You know what I mean? Please like, subscribe and share and click notification bell. You know, say Supermarket Excursion. I'm here, people. Like the video, love the video, you know what I mean? I help the channel to grow. You know what I mean? Yeah. So thanks people for watching. And look out for the next video. Supermarket Excursion, I'm out.